Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking down the essentials so the AI writes with direction. Provide genre, target length, and a one-paragraph arc to anchor pacing. Then make 6 to 10 compact character cards containing goals, flaws, voice, and a one-line secret. These keep dialogue consistent. Add core world rules and 3 motifs so the model avoids contradictions. Once done, upload or paste these inputs into your prompt template and ask for a Chapter 1 outline in 4 beats. You now build the map. Request a 3-act outline with chapters and 2 beat summaries for each chapter so pacing is visible. Next, convert chapters into scene-level plans, specifying POV, immediate conflict, stakes, and a target length like 500 to 1, 200 words to control rhythm. Make revision loops. Ask for 2 variations of any scene, pick the strongest passages, and merge them into a single scene. While editing, prompt the AI to preserve character voice and motif callbacks. You finish by generating the draft scene by scene, compiling chapters once scenes are stable, and running a consistency pass for names, timelines, and motifs. Then request focused edits. Tighten tone, fix continuity errors, improve pacing, and sharpen lines. If the AI drifts or stalls, roll back to the last solid beat, simplify your prompt variables, or ask for a slower output pace, for example, half-length scenes or 0.5 complexity to regain control. Finally, export and run a final proofread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.